Today on Kettle Creek Woodworks, we're going to do an unboxing video. I got a new tool and I'm going to show you why I got this. So let's get started. This is the Metabo HPT 2.5 inch finish nailer. So I'm going to show you what happened and why I got this tool. This is the Ridgid R250 AFA 15 gauge finish nailer. I bought this years ago and it still looks brand new. And in fact, I bought the plastic tips that go on it off of eBay because the other ones had deteriorated. So I went to use this nailer and it shot 3 nails and then went pop. So I took it apart to find out what happened, and it's kind of hard to see and most of it's gone, but if you can see those pellets right in there, there is a plastic ring that is supposed to go around this in order to, right around here, to help seal the air off, and that plastic ring just disintegrated. So I got online. I usually like to fix my tools. I don't want to have to buy something new if I don't have to. And so I went online to find that ring to see if I could get the part. That part is not available anymore. It was available up to about 2 years ago, but now you can't get that part anywhere. So my nailer was dead, and there was nothing I could do about it. Enter the Metabo HPT. My wife got this for me, and so we're going to unbox this and take a look and see what we've got inside. Okay, let's see what we got. First thing first, we've got a really nice plastic case. You can even put your name in there. And there we go, the Metabo HPT finish nailer. This is going to be very quick unboxing because you don't have to do any kind of assembly. You do get a pair of safety glasses, that's kind of nice. And you get a couple of books, the warranty book and the instruction book. I would have thought you would get like some starter nails, but you don't get any starter nails with this. All right, so let's take a look and see what the features are. This nailer is pretty straightforward. So in order to load nails, you load them in, push them all forward, and then pull the nail catch back, and then that loads the nail. So now it's ready to go. I like the features on this nail gun. This right here is to adjust the depth of how far you want to shoot your nails. This is a quick way to clear a nail jam. You just open this up and then you can clear it here. And then this is for single fire or continuous fire. So I'm assuming you can just bounce it, and that's what continuous fire means. This is the blowout port, so if you get dirt and wood chips inside here, you can hit that and it'll blow air out and clear the gun. And then right back here, you've got this little plastic piece. Actually, it's made of really hard rubber. So you take that and you put it on the end right here. If I can get it on. That is so that you don't mark the wood with this metal piece right here you got a nice bump stop here and it won't leave a mark whenever you're shooting nails. Very nice gun. I really like this. We're going to put it to work. One thing I wish that this gun did have was a swivel air connector back here. My Ridgid had a swivel air connector on it, so I pulled it off, so I'm probably going to swap that out. I like the swivel. Alright, let's plug this thing in and see if it works. We're on single fire, so let's try the single fire. That works pretty good. I like that. And then we're going to try the continuous fire. Okay. So to use the continuous fire, you have to actually pull the trigger. That works perfectly. I like that gun a lot. All right. So kind of a short video today, but in case you're wondering what you get with one, that's it. There you go. Okay, that's it for this video. I've got a couple of videos coming up that are project videos that I'm working on. I'm kind of working on two of them at the same time, and I'm trying to get those filmed, so I should get those up pretty soon. And I've got another unboxing, or a couple of unboxing videos that I'm going to do just to get some content up on the channel, since I have almost no content up on my channel and no one's watching my videos. So I will get those done. Y'all get in the shop and make something. A few things that my son got me for Christmas. Pretty cool. He got me this Irwin flexible bladed saw. I really like this. This is a very nice saw, and I've been needing one for some flush trim. I do have one of the really long Japanese style saws, but for some things you kind of want a smaller saw, so. Then he got me this hammerless nail set. So basically, if you have a nail that is sticking up, you put this on there like that and you pull it up, it's spring loaded and it will knock the nail in. I already used it for something and it worked perfectly, so I really like this. You don't have to go chase down a hammer and use, you know, something like that, like a traditional nail set. And then he got me a pencil, the Pika pencil. I've seen these, I've seen a lot of woodworkers use these on YouTube, and I'd kind of wanted to get one, but I still have a bag of these that I've been using for years that I hadn't gone through, so I couldn't really justify buying one. So I like this pencil. This is a very nice pencil. It's got a sharpener in the end, so we're going to use this and get some good use out of that.